Is Kobe involved? Could he be involved in the recruitment of LeBron?
Oh, I hope not. Oh no, LeBron would never come. No, that's the number one rule. Keep Kobe out of the room. No. Well, you know that. You saw what Kobe said. He came out and said LeBron needs to find a way to win with these guys. No, Kobe, in fact, Kobe hurt the recruitment of the other free agents they've had. He was in the room when they tried to get Dwight Howard, and he said, "Yeah, Dwight, if you're going to come here, you better play great. You better work harder." And Dwight's like, "Yeah, you're the worst recruiter ever." And then Dwight Howard fled. Kobe is not involved at all in any of this. He's making movies. He's got his own thing. He doesn't. No, thank God he's not. I hope he's not. No, he's not. They will never let him near LeBron James.
That's
never.
Funny. That is funny.
That's true.
For more Dan Patrick Show, tune to Audience Channel 239 on DirecTV or download the Dan Patrick Show app.